Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add text notation in your Divi WordPress website. Here you can see this is my demo website. Let me log in. Just we can add /wp-admin. Then here you can see we are logged in into our WordPress website. Then let's install a plugin. So just you can get this plugin from Divi official website. Just I can upload the plugin file. Let me select plugin file. So you will get this type of file. Make sure that you are uploading in zip format, and it will take just few seconds to upload. So guys, here you can see plugin is installed. Let me activate this plugin. Now we got notification to install light version of this plugin. Let me install that, then activate that plugin. Now let's go back to the pages. Then we can view this page on the front side, and then enable Divi Visual Builder. So guys, here you can see these are all the designs that are made with the Divi Builder. Now let's go in the Divi Builder to add a new section in our Divi WordPress website. Now let's scroll down and let's find plus icon to add a new section in our Divi WordPress website. Now just click here plus icon in the blue color, then select regular, and here we can select 3 columns. After that, just search for notation, then you will find out this module. Let's add this module, and here we can add some text. For example, WordPress. Then here we can add before text we provide, and this will be after text. Now let's scroll down, and here you can see notation settings, underline, box, circle, whatever you want. So that's great. And here we can change the color. Then you can also add stroke width, then iterations, and you can also link this module with any page. Then you can also add background color, then go to design tab, heading settings, main text, notation text. You can also change notation text color, background color. Now scroll down, and here you can see notation text color. And then here you can see you can increase or decrease notation text. Then these are basic other options that we use in other text modules in Divi WordPress website, where you can add box shadow and animations. Then click on 3 dots and save it. So in this way you can highlight any text in Divi WordPress website.